So I've got the Optimum H3000 second generation, and a question a few people have been asking is, how do I use the reverse function? Well, the reverse function's just on the back of the unit. So what you need to do is hold it down. You'll hear the beep, and then it will work for 2 to 3 seconds, and it will push anything that's stuck here. It'll help push it back further into the unit in case you have any cloggage or you just need to reverse it back up to take it apart. Now you can hold it down as many times as you want, but just keep your finger on it until you hear that beep and it will start to work. Keep your finger in place and it would work every time. Thank you.